Alrighty, you know some of your boys rolling up. It's your boy Elite Team X, and today we back with another banger, bitch.
Office.
What I do?
Today, we're watching the finale. The end. The conclusion. The finish line. A Chainsaw Man. Yes, it has been an amazing motherfucking season. I've loved it. These episodes have honestly been throwing me for a loop. I can honestly say jaw-dropping moments. Like, if you want an anime that's gonna drop your jaw, this is the one right here. This is the one right here, because this shit, pause.
Oh, hell no, man.
You know what I'm saying? Like, it just don't miss. Now, we left off. Shorty was yoking my boy up. Here we go, exactly. But what happens after this though? Aw, you got him seeing his whole life flash before his eyes. Like, that's never a good fucking sign. Go ahead and crop that out. We're gonna start the bitch right here. Ooh. She was kind of a baddie, bro. She didn't have to go. Aw, now he's sad. Fuck! I feel so bad for him, bro. What's this? She might be like, bitch ass nigga. Oh, the eye patch? Oh, the eye patch was left behind. A cigarette? A cigarette? Literally? Imagine she just like flips him off. That'd be mad funny. Oh, you can't do that. You can't do that. You can't, bro. You can't do that, bro. Easy revenge. Oh. Oh my god, this is so cold. She on my side, bitch ass nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Ah, that's so sad. Oh. Decapitated her shit. What? No way, bro. Like, the ghost devil's just gone now? No way. She has to, so like, what? I don't know. Blue blood is fire, though. Okay. Yeah. Don't do it to her. She's not even ready, Kobeni. She don't know that the illest, like, the illest to ever do it is really standing behind her. She don't know. So just don't even do it to her. For real. Because she could have really just had it done. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. Cause she's a beast. She's a beast. She has to. She's a beast. She's the best character in the show. She's here for the bonuses. Oh, she's feeling herself because of this training. That's what it is. She's feeling herself. Nah, Denji's mad funny. Oh, you got the big boss zombie. I didn't speak of his day. Oh, yo, Power is mad funny, bro. I don't like this split up shit, but I get it. I get it. I get why they do it to, like, you know what I'm saying? Give every individual motherfucker his shit, but it's like, it gives me anxiety, bro. Oh, it's not gonna shake. It's gonna open up calmly. Ooh, he got that bitch tooled up though. What? Ooh, yeah. It can get like that. It can get like that. No, we're not chatting. We're not chatting, bitch ass nigga. Nah, you wanna chat? Chat with these hands. Satisfaction? You should not have let that shit close behind you, big dog. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Keep that bitch up here. Keep them hands up. Keep them hands up, big dog. Bro, I swear to God. Like, yes, why would we lie about that? No, what the hell are they zombies? Come on, I'll hold that bitch up. Hell no, these zombies. Yeah, bitch ass nigga, no sir. What's gonna happen? What you gonna do? Oh, he just pulled the joint off like he Dodo. Oh, they're boxing. Oh, he dulling the shit out of them blades. Come on now, you thought you was finna slide like that? Yo, they are diving through the sky though. Yeah, they're moving now. They're boxing. Talk about it. Ooh. He's throwing haymakers though. He's like, yeah, it was like cock his back. I'm gonna nigga on the edge though. Ooh, you seeing the airlines off that kick? That's how you know that bitch has some weight to it. Train passengers like, what the hell is that? Okay. My boy evolving. Haha, yes sir. Yeah, nigga, better than what I used to live. I like how simplistic he is, but like he's growing though. Who can't beat you? Like what? You're trash. Hold on, nigga, you're trash. The fuck? Oh, they're boxing. They're boxing right now. Oh, he. Okay. They're going crazy. Oh, yo, he's throwing him though. Like, I'm not gonna cap. Like, Denji's getting tossed around. I'm like, Denji, you gonna have to eat some more Wheaties. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yo, I don't think you know how lucky it is. Like, the person who was like if you live in NYC or Japan, I guess, you taking a train, you've been there. You've been like, here or there. Don't want the seat that's like right by the window, or don't want the seat that's like, you know what I'm saying, back to the wall. My guy, if you would have picked either of them seats or whichever seat, yo, I know you in there like, I mean, hey, at least he ain't chop your whole body in half. Bro, you just gonna stand there and let him do it again? Nigga said, can we ban this move? Oh. Denji, no way you let him take both your arms. Nigga, fuck your granddad, bruh. Bitch ass nigga, I got one more chainsaw. Like, what you mean? You know what I'm saying? Whoo! He's clashing with your ass with the beam piece. With the beam piece. Over here underestimating my boy. Oh, Denji, no. Oh! Oh! Ah! My nigga just came to clutch. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's stop. Denji's cold for that. He's tough for that. I'm not gonna cap. My boy said, yeah, you ain't hear about this one. They unlocked this one on the new patch. Should have banned that one, big dog. Who's this? This is the Katana dude. Ooh. Oh, he stripped him. Damn. Shit was a success. Oh. Oh, he spit. That is one less baddie.
なのにてめえは反省もせず一生刑務所暮らし。それじゃ俺がすっきりしねえ。お前には何もできねえだろう。公安の犬風
He said you're a lapdog. What you gonna take? What you got to say about that, Benji?
今から大会を開く。
Ooh, we gotta have a contest? What's the contest?
大会早川の先輩も参加するか。最強の大会によ。
What's the
お前は
contest?
何を言ってんだ。
Talk to me.
こいつは姫の先輩を弾で撃った。だからこいつも弾を撃たれるべきだ。
Ooh.
だから大会を開く。お互いにこいつの金玉を蹴っていって、
Ah,
警察が来るまでに一番でかい悲鳴を出させたやつの勝ち。
I love Denji, bro. I love him, bro. I love Denji. He's the best.
いたぶって嘘を晴らすことじゃない。
Ah, come on.
そんなことしたって。
She would have definitely wanted that.
ああ。勝ったら何くれんだ。
Oh, okay.
こいつの弾を
Yo, I love this show, bro. This show's amazing. Oh, this show is so good, bro. Yo, this show is so good. Oh, him, I kind of fuck with him. He looks kind of cool. I like all the fiends, like little half devil, half. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with them.
姫の先輩。どこまで聞く。
Ah, hey, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Come on, you can't do that, bro. What is season 2? Nah, that's crazy. That was such a good, yo. This shit is good. It's fire. If you haven't already, watch this shit. This shit is fire. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up above so you know when your boy go live. If you really want to support the channel, make sure to hit the sub button. But we already watched it, so we appreciate the view. All forms of support are loved around here, big dog. Thanks so much for watching. Peace!